Alright, today we're going to be cleaning the headlights for the 2007 Ford Taurus. We're going to be using this Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer. Heals Seals technology. Increase clarity, brightness, and visibility. It's shown before and it's shown after. It comes with everything you need. On the side here, it comes with the polishing pad, spray lubricant, come with the lens clarification compound. It comes with base coat and lens sealing wipe. So we're going to be using this on this 07 Ford Taurus. What you want to do is apply this compound to a clean rag or cloth, and then once you apply this to the clean part of a rug or rag or whatever, then you're going to want to rub it, and I'm going to show you. Alright, once you put it on the cloth, you're going to want to grab it and then after that, so the spray lubricant, you're going to spray that on the green pad, and you're also going to spray it on the lens. After you spray it on the lens, you're going to do this. So it's like you're sanding it. Alright, you do it like this. So once you're done doing that with the green side, you flip it to the gray side and you do the same thing. Make sure you do it real good. Go over it with the purple pad. Go over it with the purple pad. Sorry for all the noise in the background. I'm outside, but to go over it real good with the purple pad. Next step is to apply the clarifying compound again. So put it on the cloth, clean cloth, and then apply it to your headlights again. The final step is to apply the lens sealing wipe. So you open it up, it's going to be a wipe in there. Once you take the wipe out, then you're going to wipe it down. Wipe it down really good. This is how you use the Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer. This is how you use it, okay? Hope you guys learned and enjoyed. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And I hope I remember to give an update. But it should work. It should clean your lens. But if anything changes, I'll be sure to give an update video. Alright? Hey guys, this is the update video of restoring your headlights with the Turtle Wax Lens Restorer. This is an update. So I think it worked, even though I think it worked for the simple fact that I'm trying to get to a darker place. I'm also trying to hurry up because daylight is trying to hit. I'm trying to do this test. Because right now the streets are lit up on a Tuesday. And let's see if we can find. Because look, here's how I could tell there's been improvement. I turned the headlights off, right? It's dark. You see the stop sign is dark. I turned the headlights on and the light back up. We're approaching an area where there's no, well, there ain't supposed to be no street lights, I guess further down. But to me, I do see a difference for the simple fact that okay, now I see the difference because the right headlights, I hate when I'm trying to do a video, then you got people behind me trying to disturb me, nah, man. So the passenger headlight was kind of dim. Put my signal on, I believe my turn is coming up. So yeah, the passenger headlight was kind of dim, a whole lot dimmer than the driver. But going down that road, even though that person was right behind me, and I know daylight is starting to come up, but it was a little dark on that road that we just turned off of. And the headlights, the passenger headlights is now a little bit brighter. It's because when I was driving before, it was really dim, like really dim. I would drive at night and the passenger headlights, you could barely see out of the passenger side. You can see more out of the driver's side. But after using that turtle wax headlight restorer, I think that it works, you know? It did pretty good. So if y'all want to clean your headlights, some headlights are more severe than others. But if y'all want to clean your headlights, then yeah, buy turtle wax and follow those steps, and it should do the job.